ちょっと
What happened? Hallo, what happened? 알았고 제가 저 한번 3D 시뮬레이션 지금 좋았지?
Indigo Park.
Welcome. Det kunne da være kloden. Altså til når jeg var nu der vi skal med, så runder det med.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy, where your dreams come true.
Chapter 1. Begin. Taman yaklaşık biliyaz koyduktan da pakoyduktan şok. Ulla kami tappo, yay! Dapat pilih sa kama ng mga sesyo. Dapat yung pilih kama ng mga sesyoan na kami. Kama ng mga sanaan asak sesyo.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park! The world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience! Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Left.
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Dapat yung sikoa, po-streamer nga. Masak isikivik, dama kinak po nga streamer nga. Matunikip pa kangera, kipok si mikrofon yuwan po. Daw ko iskar may maksutas na nilito. Si family utas na po wani spilak po nga. Daw wani ising dapat siwan. Hindi ka ba yan? Come on, Dobishan, where are you? What are you Yep. Keviak tata kung dara. Bum.
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway. Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini-rambling venture. Have fun!
Generator. Tauti mo liak si Masoras. Spillinger slitin liak sa reso sumippunga. Isingyakan. Tesa da kama ottom.
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Hello. Where's the car? Come on, get it. So 약속도 못이 비스룸이죠. 대망이라 빌리 약속도 비기니 게임 지금 사람이 소 나만 또 맛이 지금 왕내 약속을 심었을까? 약속 낚시 나오면 go home. So not to be visible.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park!
Umaso bakit chingwag ka? Hindi ka ba pa? Ako ang maksuching binga suching sa sarok pagkatok sa kakchipagka.
Oh, silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Coming. Hello. I need you. I need this. Keep this. Ay. Sorry, boring. Spilyo na yung aksajing ito.
Here you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Ano nga po, fix? Ano na ikaw na ito ba? Simusin na siyak siya. Tok sa kakchipa ka inusak siya. Isak pa mit amavi sa soklok si pasituching mo siya. Soklok imat.
Uh-oh! The door mysteriously locked! Why not test out your band and save the day?
Keretong yang gila nga.
Hooray! Great work, buddy! Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure!
Adventure! Gusto kang makasan, gusto kang gila nga. Inusa sa cockpit. Inusa na magkanayak sanga-sanga ka sushi. Creepy. 11. Creepy 11. My favorite game. Awesome. Inusa sa kong ito na. Hackers. God damn it. Nakanig kami matok. Dear Roman. Takong ekses nga. Ayaw chinan. Roman. Tsunami tingusis tingunaqpa. Kippaissoq kippaisudamatumon tinguniarsaassuakkatabassa.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Siullernbertum tingusersimuunga. Da. Naptin siapa?
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad? Because I like trains.
Shut up, Delirious. I know who you are, Delirious. Because raccoon. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet.
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCaw.
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
You sure are, Moll. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride? Rooftop races.
Admission included with your critter copy. Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me. I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Sinakserotok Scary Wonderserotok. Dragon Detector. Cool. I like this. Shut the fuck up. Oh no. Frankie Inc. Frankie Inc. had some reason. Now what? Tyvärr, next. He's back. Hello, babe.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
Great act, Lloyd.
Of course it was. I'm the real star.
Lisa! Russia! Bye! Where am I? Ah, train star. Okay! Great!
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
Empty, amber ghosts? Who's the bird? Ah, this is the bird. Hello, bird. Chicken! Nothing so far. No color. Nice moon. Daba? Di man nước ta nhìn gì xuống cả đã xa ra. Siêu mà tục hành nó xuống sao muốn ngồi hiểu anh. Ta vô nằm ngon đã. Cô chứ còn ngon nằm ngất. Fuck. Baby. Yes.
Buddy, come over here.
Oh no! I find something. Go for me. Not today. Hello. I take this.
This here's an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it. Ooh, that's a Rambly cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head. Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambly plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out. Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambly plush we just blasted with gold spray paint. Oh, I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Rambly the Raccoon Fraction figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up and he doesn't. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambly plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out. Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambly plush we just blasted with gold spray paint. Oh, a Molly plush! She's always been my best friend. Did you know she builds planes in our landing pad at the park? And then she crashes them. She's so talented.
Fresh? Why?
Oh, you found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy. But he's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday. Ew, Lloyd. Ew, Lloyd.
Lloyd.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Fuck you.
Rambly ears! Those used to fly off the shelves. That pair's pretty damaged, though. Keep your eyes peeled. There's gotta be at least one more mint condition set out there somewhere. Like a yard sale.
Basta nagaksanyak po nga, pisa kaya kaksing nila, kano sa pinakpo, narong nga siya man. Tama tumising sa karo, akto si, utita na yung makpo. Tamag kakapakpak ka, makapusantok suwi. Tama ang gilasto.
Well, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction! Oops! Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in!
Hey, Raccoon. Samik ko nang isisin na takamanip. I know it. Yeah! Upa kabon! Are you dead? Are you good? Dead good, dead good, dead good, dead good, dead good, dead good, dead good. Tungtok ba? Asa ka talak sa dawa? Atat? Kasing isa kang ginawa, masikot. Ah, liar! Cute! My pussy boo! Where are you? My pussy boo! Come back, my liar!
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your Kritikov is not yet able to resuscitate you.
I don't care, I like liar. Come on, one more time. I like this. Yeah. Ni pinaksuraktak puta ko siya ng or. Kasi may atas na matok pa. Lion. Tiger. Just a moment. What are you doing? I'm scared. So dark. What are you doing? Naspari. What are you doing? Happy so far. I'm scared. Not joking. I'm scared. What are you doing? Hello? Cute! Baksinga ma! Pussycat. What are you doing? I'm scared. Liar, what happened? Spillevisio. Spillingersitinniarani matuersaaqaamuartaq qamillungu ersaaqqinnarta matuersaat taava tunun pisoqas qanu suluffingulernguluannerti takku. Shut the fuck up. I'm talking. Uasilaarpu tannoornappissaa. What do you do now? Hello? I got your key. What are you doing? Hello? What? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Run? Whoa. I'm scared. Where was that? Takong suangitok pa kisin ni sikonuing arokpo. Machimiaka. Benji Bird. Come on, one more time. Piano. 지금 수상이를 했나만이 지금 수상을 하러 보기엔 지금 수상이라. Guys, run. I'm sorry. Open. Gotcha! Spillisangane ullutsinni tarrittoriu.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
What are you doing, Delirious? Vanos. What are you doing, Vanos? Da easy peasy money salate. Jeg benås jo så sådan. Altså det er godt træet nok. Nå med? Robby! ستخير مشونا.
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
아이고 좀 먹가도 코니 각신나로 붕아. Så nu tunge spiller sinanga. Here we go again. Spiller man sidanga ma.
Before we get into the bigger ride.
나면 너무 싫다 가로. 아리 꺾고 싶거로.
Oh no, Molly's plane crashed somewhere in Ramblayberry Woods. I better find her and make sure she's okay.
Ako tano na nakakabon. Wow. Jump. Okay. Okay. Woo! Under spillerangen gå til små sådan der mange nachsorinder med sammen.
Molly, what happened? Hey Rambley, I was flying through the woods, but suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Looks like my smokescreen made her crash right on target. Salem, I should have known you were behind this, you shady skunk, let her go. Nah, How's about I try my new potion on her instead? I'm tired of wasting it on squirrels. Molly, look out. Too slow, dumpster face. What did you do to her? Meet the new and improved Molly Macaw. Now with none of that friendship garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces. I wonder what she really thinks of you now. Have fun finding out.
My champion. Noon nagsusoklo na.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected.
Next. Something so bad. I hate this. Ido mốc cho mình. Huwag ay matuping nguak takfin at kurok tangiyo sa pag. Positive. Uso kayak. No, dapat na positive ako buwan. Sa kanya siya maroktok. Aparutok. Uso kayak. I'm cheating! I'm alive! Too small for you! What do you do? Yep. pinaksulta noon lang.
Ah, there you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This room's staff only. Come on in, new staff. Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so... I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But, I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park? I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
오맹가 비코나 떡봉. 나 비수직인 낙바 가놈마 파나시 페리미터 positive tama tubaya yung may fa나시 페리미 tan na fa나시 페리미 yaksinang daw tan na sa kinakaman kama siya ko tanang daw siya na tawag taktuin na kami daw na siya na tawag may ako siya yaksilun unang marok tutakusangan ni yaksinakan.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers, registered, room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler, registered, security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is a registered trademark. That expired yesterday.
Assistant I. I'm back. Hello.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Fuck you, Delirious. 원역시토가 수리토 공가가 시렸다네.
I don't get why we even have those. And why do they only make one of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush? Where's Molly's? Where's Finley's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry.
Sinamama tingorokpa, una tingwa. Nado, ay.
Whoa, where'd you get that? Brambleberries are my favorite! Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite. Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day!
Una kishim. 다시 kishim ako karokpo. Makangin naksimo. Tamakisimo ay matoro.
You made it to Oceanic Odyssey! You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler!
Thank you.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what lies beneath the surface. Hey, buddy! You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks
나서나.
mysteries, even I don't
Adik ko tayo sa Pogo Chow. Halates.
but fight through the dark. And I'll be your spark of sunshine.
Perfect play ni mo singungan rock pagkisiyan na halates.
That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea!
I need to back too.
It's an awful lot to
Halates.
ask. But here comes Randy. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Yep. No joke. Halates. See you back to. Machak to 11. That's all is Nanox. So nakataro po kasi ko na sinastop. Sinastop si Masista Masibay. Tusin ni Mutakus. Bye-bye.